Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will be starting a new series in which I will document a SaaS product that I'm creating, and I will take you through the journey of what it likes to be creating a SaaS product, what are the things that are involved in it, costing, development time, and everything. Currently, what I'm thinking is I will be creating a SaaS product which is going to be replacement for Google Analytics. What it will allow you is it will allow you to quickly integrate analytics in your application, and it will be much more faster and convenient than Google Analytics. I saw that there are much more paid services available for this. I think I can compete on that market and get some customer because I don't think they have a nice integration, and I'm much inspired by Clerk. The developer experience of Clerk is very, very, very user friendly, I can say of, and I would like to make as much easier integration and getting started as possible, along with that giving any additional functionality to user. So today I started this journey, and I have looked into few things. I did my ideation thing on ChatGPT, where I told ChatGPT what is the product that I'm thinking and all that stuff. And I kind of have listed out what are the features that I need to add. I will show you in the next video the features that I will be adding. But today, what I did is I created a basic landing page. It is not fully completed. I am using SATCN. It's a component library, and it is very popular and much more easy to use. And this is what I have created for today. I guess I'm happy with the progress. So I got a good slogan from ChatGPT, and I guess I like this slogan. Uh, yeah, transfer your website and all that stuff. I'm taking a reference from already existing template from Curip. Thanks for this template. I'm just taking reference of it, and I liked this template and I wanted to implement something like this. So this is pretty much that I have completed today. A header and hero component and full page hero component, added a few numbers thing on here, and I also added this component where the data is dynamic, so each one is card on this one and you can change that card and stuff. What I will do tomorrow is I think I will take reference from the Satchian dashboard. I quite like this dashboard, to be honest, so I think I will take this and get started with it, and maybe create few other pages like registration page. I will be implementing next auth, I guess. So registration and sign up for the user, project creation. So currently what I'm thinking is user will be able to log in and register, and when they log in and register they will need to create a new project, and in that project they can view all the analytics, something like this. So I'm just visualizing myself. So team is like project, and there will be date picker and everything. I i haven't quite decided what are the things that I will show on the dashboard. I need to brainstorm myself, but looking from the few reference, I will point out that I will build something similar to Google Analytics, but it's gonna be much more efficient and cheaper for user to integrate and much more easier. So yeah, that's the first video of this series. I hope I complete this series, and I will be documenting everything moving forward. Let me know if you need any guidance on thing that I created so that I can share you my code and everything. I'm still a bit confused whether I should upload my code on GitHub or not, but let's see. I might make it open source, but yeah, this is what I've done today. Tomorrow, I think I will be working on admin dashboard and login functionality using NextAuth. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Feel free to look into this tutorial if you are new here. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out next video.